Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can turn on and off your live voicemail on iPhone. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to turn on and off your live voicemail on iPhone, what you want to do is go on your iPhone setting. Now once you're inside your iPhone setting, you want to scroll all the way down until you see this option called phone. Now once you see this option called phone, you want to click on phone. Now once you click on phone, it's going to take you to the phone setting of your iPhone. Now once you're inside the phone setting, what you want to do is you can see this option called live voicemail. So in my case, it's currently on right now, so I will click on live voicemail. Now once I click on live voicemail, it's going to bring me over here. Now over here you can see this option at the top called live voicemail. It's on. Now what I can do is click on it and it'll be turned off. Now once it's off, basically my live voicemail is off. Now I can click on the same button again to turn it on. So that's how you guys can turn on and off your live voicemail. And if your live voicemail is on, if you don't pick up your phone, then basically the message of the caller is going to be recorded. If it is off, then when you don't pick up the phone, it's not going to record the message of the caller. So that's the only difference of what turning this on and off does. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.